When the weather isn't as ready to warm up as you are, this silky filling lemony barley soup is just the trick. You can put this Mediterranean diet recipe together with healthy kitchen staples straight from the pantry and the fridge, all in about 30 minutes. And be sure to make plenty because you're going to want a second bowl by tomorrow. Hola, I'm Caroline. Welcome to the channel where you can learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day, no matter where you live. So pull up a chair, grab a glass, and join me in my Mediterranean kitchen while we make a soup just perfect for the change of seasons. This handful of ingredients is going to magically transform into one of your favorite soups ever with the chewy, dense flavor of barley. Dice up 2 cups of celery, 1 large onion, and mince 2 cloves of garlic. That's it. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a deep stock pot over medium heat. Add the onions and cook until they're translucent. Then add all the celery too. Now give it a good stir, and when the celery is a little soft, add the garlic, stirring to mix it in really well. And before adding the barley, sprinkle in a little sea salt. Barley is one of those healthy whole grains that I grew up loving in a can of Campbell's beef and barley stew. And maybe that's why this healthy whole grain is such a familiar, warm, and cozy thing to enjoy on a chilly day when I'm rooting for spring but still stuck in winter. I'm still getting a dose of the chewy, fiber-packed goodness, but minus the beef and minus the additives that canned soups are usually laced with. Now add all the barley and stir until it takes on just a little toasty color. Time to add 6 cups of vegetable stock and bring it to a rolling boil. As soon as it is, turn it down, cover and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to check it at the midway point just to see how the barley is doing. When it's ready, the barley will be swollen and soft but not mushy. You still want a little bite. Now add the finishing touch with lemon juice to your taste. If I'm in the mood, I'll even add another tablespoon or 2. Once it tastes just right, pile in all the spinach and just melt it into the soup so that it stays fresh and bright when you serve it up. Just a dollop of yogurt and chives or your favorite herb is all it takes to get this dish table ready.